Good morning. Today for math, you are going to be collecting some more data, and I'm going to ask you to reach out to family members again and ask them a question. The first question is, which is their favorite animal or like pet? Which is their favorite pet? And you give them three choices of a fish, a cat, or a dog. And then I want you to take that information and make a tally chart, and then you're going to take that tally chart and you're going to make a bar graph from that information. So I ask my family these questions, right? And there's my tally chart where it says fish. One person like fish the best, one person like cat, and three people dog. Okay. And that's my tally chart. Below the tally chart, I created a bar graph. Do you see my bar graph? There's my bar graph where I have fish, cat, and dog at the bottom. And then I'm going to color up depending on how many people said they like that animal. So if you notice over on the side, there are numbers up my bar graph, okay? That's where I'm going to color at. So for fish, I look and I see that on my tally chart, one person chose fish, okay? So I'm going to use a blue to color in just one bar on my bar graph, okay? Only one bar to show that one person that liked the fish, okay? I'm going to use green for the cat, and there were two people who said they liked, no, one person, sorry, only one person that said they liked the cat as well. So there's only going to be one green bar colored in on my bar graph for my cat, okay, for cat as a favorite pet or animal. And the last one is dog, and there were three people. I had three tally marks, so I'm going to go on my bar graph and I'm going to color in three bars. Okay, so I'm going to show you what that looks like. So here's my thing. You see my number 3 over there, okay, and I'm going to color across. See, I colored in that whole area, okay, because that's how I found it. That goes up to the 3 people, shows me 3 people in my bar graph, and then I'm going to color in that whole area red. So I'm going to do that right now. And there you go. Okay. So I challenge you today, guys, in your math journal to ask your family the question of which is their favorite pet. Okay. A fish, a dog, or a cat. Okay. Collect the information in a tally chart and take that tally chart and then make a bar graph with that information. Okay. And I'm going to give you one more question to do that with as well. So I showed you how to do it with the animals. I want you to also go and do that. And then you're going to ask your family another question. The other question is, let me see, favorite shoes, sneakers, sandals, or flip-flops? So with your family, please ask them that question. Which are your favorite shoes to wear? Sneakers, sandals, or flip-flops? You will then create a tally chart for sneakers, sandals, and flip-flops, and then you will make a bar graph, okay, using that information as well. Okay, in the next couple days, we will be wrapping up this unit of study with data and interpreting that data. So in the next couple days, we will be wrapping this up. You guys have done a great job. I think it's really interesting when we're able to ask people questions and be able to look at the data and answer questions about it. And I really appreciated the couple people last week. I actually, when I was calling people, they asked me some of these questions, which I thought was really cool. So have a good time with this activity today. To follow up with this activity, there is a page in your packet. I will also link it here on Facebook. You do not need to do any additional pages in your workbook today, okay? Because the workbook pages do not line up. And I believe I made a mistake in assigning pages one day last week, and it's got us off by a page or two. So do not worry about a workbook page today. Just do this in your math journal, and the question that goes in your packet. And you can log into Dreambox or whatever other math activities you want to do at home. Have a great day, guys. Thanks.